What's the meaning of alluvium? Alluvium. 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 Alluvium.
The term alluvium refers to a type of sediment or soil that is deposited by running water, such as rivers or streams. This sediment can contain a mix of different sized particles and minerals, including sand, silt, and clay. Over time, as the sediment builds up, it can form fertile soil that is ideal for agriculture. However, alluvium can also pose a risk of flooding in areas where rivers and streams frequently overflow their banks. Understanding alluvium and its properties is important for managing and utilizing water resources in a sustainable manner.